Hello, welcome to Wicked Horses, the YouTube channel. Welcome to. Hey guys, hey guys. Today on Wicked Horses. Hello, welcome to the Wicked Horses YouTube channel. Today on Wicked Horses, I have my 2019 Silverado Z71 RST. Has an all-star package. It's a beautiful truck. In fact, it's they call it Pole is the actual color. As you can see, it's a pretty sweet truck. But you know, buying a used truck, you kind of get whatever you can get, and I would have preferred like the Blackout, where all the letters and everything were blacked out. So, but they didn't have it. At least they had red, and I can work from there. I can go from there. The what I've done to it so far, I haven't done much. I've got this stubby antenna off of Amazon. I think it was like $13 on Amazon. I went locally and got the windows tinted on there. Oh yeah, and I had already started a couple weeks ago when it was nicer out, putting this Chevrolet on. I wanted to try that out, see how it worked, and it went on pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory. You can't mess that up. Well, that's what you'd think, but kind of got to get it centered in there. Once you put it on, you're like, oh dang, I didn't get it centered, and it doesn't slide once you stick it. So that's something, if you're going to do, you got to be careful with. But other than that, this thing's gone through, gosh, at least 5 or 6 car washes since I put it on a couple weeks ago. I have to. I live on a dirt road, so this thing gets dirty fast. But today, what I want to do with you guys is finish blacking it out. Over here, I've got the Z71 tabs that are going to replace these ones. It's going to look like that when it's done. And the RST to go on the tailgate, and the Silverado. You can see that comes in 2 pieces, kind of goes together like a puzzle. But and then that will complete the lettering, and so it will be blacked out. By the end of this video, we're gonna have a blacked out rally sports truck. So anywho, I got my razor blade, I got some soapy water in a bottle, spray bottle, and guess we're not painting the rims today. Tape measure, and let's go to work. Well, I think I'm going to start with the tailgate. Or maybe I'll start right there with that one. There we go. There we go. One done. Next is the RST. All right, here we go. Here's that one. It's looking pretty good so far. Okay, so I couldn't deal with those razor blades anymore, so I went and got found my other razor blades. Those things were just freaking annoying. All right, so let's see. All right. After seeing that the RST was smaller than the OEM RST, I want to make sure that this is how it's supposed to be. Really don't need a screwed up Silverado, right? That would be a pain in the butt. All right, that looks good. Nice and level. A half inch from there. There we go. All right. Looks good. On to the next. All right, guys. Woo, finished. Look at that. That is pretty sweet. Blackout C71 on there. My tinted windows. Remember, I'm gonna do my rims later. Oh yeah. Chevy Silverado RST Rally Sport Truck. Oh yeah. Let me turn that sideways. Oh yeah. There we go, guys. Tell me what you think. Have you guys used these products before? Have you ordered this from Amazon? Did it work for you? What do you think? Yeah, I know. I should have washed my truck, but that's part of the coolness of this. I did each one and cleaned the area. So that way tomorrow I can take it to the car wash and test this out. And then I'm going to do a review after. Alright guys, if you thought this was a pretty cool video, like and subscribe down below. And hopefully this helps you out down the road. Later. Wicked horses out. Alright guys, so just went and got the car washed. And here it is. Stayed on good. There we go. Complete. There we go. It made it through the wash. And also, if you like this video, subscribe. I got more coming. Alright guys, if you thought this was a pretty cool video, like and subscribe down below. Alright, until next time.